Snoring is a common condition that occurs when airflow is partially obstructed during sleep, causing vibrations in the upper airway tissues. Factors like age, anatomy, weight, sleeping position, alcohol consumption, and nasal congestion can contribute to snoring. Lifestyle changes such as maintaining a healthy weight, sleeping on your side, elevating your head, avoiding alcohol, treating nasal congestion, and practicing good sleep hygiene can help reduce or prevent snoring. Using oral appliances and seeking medical treatment may also be options for persistent snoring. If snoring is accompanied by symptoms like daytime fatigue or gasping during sleep, it may indicate a more serious condition like sleep apnea, and further evaluation by a healthcare provider is recommended.